Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to increase my open rate and my engagement. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Let's just dive in and we'll start straight away. So 2 weeks ago, I posted this post. I'm approaching 2,000 followers. Do you know how I will celebrate that milestone? I'll delete everyone who hasn't opened an email for the past 6 weeks. A healthy list is like a forest. Cut away the dead wood and allow the forest to grow. Now, I've been thinking about this and reading a few posts about it, how other people have done it. And I'm now ready to delete, I reckon, about 300 of my just over 2,000 followers. So let's dive in and you can watch me decimate my account. So here we are on Substack. You can see I have got 2,024 subscribers. And down here you see we have a filter, and I've got no filters in place at the moment. So let's dive in and let's do the first filter. Right, so add a filter. Where? Let's go and have a look. Subscription type is free, because we obviously only want to get rid of free subscribers. Next, we're going to have a look at the date that they subscribed. So we're going to add a filter where subscription date is before. I'm going to go back to December the 1st, which is now 10, 11 weeks, almost 12 weeks away. So yeah, 10 weeks away, something like that. I'm going to apply that. So now we're down to 1,700 people. Okay, so you can see here that the activity of people is rated. So we want to add a filter, and we look at activity is basically no stars. Okay, so they haven't done any activity in the Substack app. So now we're down to 638. Now, at the moment, we're not sure if these are right or not. Okay, so what we're going to do is add a few more filters that I feel are the most important ones. So next is we are going to do emails opened in the last 6 months is less than 1. We'll apply that one. Now there's 392. Now we're getting places. And we're going to add a filter now, and we want, because emails opened are some apps and some email services could actually trigger the fact that they're opening them when they're not. So we're going to go now to links clicked, when I can find it. Links clicked is less than 1. So there we've got 360 people there. So now what I can do is select all these. Okay. Now we've got all 361. And I can email them, which is what I suggest you do. So you click on this and you email them, and you put a link in there and you say to them, just click this link. Okay. And they will then, if they click a link or then they open it, they're going to get removed. So what I'm going to do here, though, is remove. Okay, so we're going to remove 361 subscribers. But before I do that, I am going to go through these. Maybe, so we've got 361. I'll probably go through about 30 or 40 of them, and I will just click on them and we will check emails received, 0, opened, links clicked, the free sign up. They've seen 2, no comments, nothing. Okay, so yeah, we're going to remove them. And that's what we're going to do. I hope that makes sense. I'm just going to go, as I say, go through. We're going to see their events when they load. They load it. They see nothing. Okay. Nothing. So definitely can remove them. I'm going to do that 20 of these, and then we're going to remove them, and I will have a list of around about 1600, 1700 again. Back to square one. And then every month I'm going to do the same thing. I hope that all makes sense. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask. You'll find my link to my newsletter below. Come and join. I post stuff that really, hopefully, is really helpful to people and help them grow their business. Thanks a lot, guys.